There is nothing better than Appalachian Mountain Pesto. All you need to make this is some ramps. Once you get your ramps, you need to wash them really well to make sure that you have all of the dirt off. I like to do this in a strainer. That way I can spray the water through and the dirt will wash right out onto the ground. Then all you need to do is take your ramps, cut the roots off and the blades, and you are ready to make some delicious ramp pesto. As you can see, this pesto is a little drier than what you would normally get at the grocery store, meaning that it is not flooded with oil, but that is how I prefer to eat my pesto. It has this beautiful light green color, and you can put it on practically anything, no matter your craving. I like to eat it just by itself as is. Mix it in with some pasta to make a delicious Appalachian ramp pesto pasta. This combination right here is practically delicious. The garlic flavor from the ramps mixed with the leaves from the ramps make for a tasty dish. So if you're looking for something new, give this a try. It adds the perfect complement to those noodles that you would otherwise not get with a pesto from the grocery store. And that shimmer you see here is just from the water that was in the pasta shells. It is not overly oily looking, nor is it too watery. That is why it's important to make sure your noodles are drained well so that you have a perfect pasta for that pesto to stick to. But that is not all you can do with ramp pesto. As you can see, I also like to add it to crackers. You can add it to any type of cracker you like, whether you like saltines, club crackers, etc. It is definitely quite tasty, and in my opinion makes for a perfect party appetizer. So if you want to surprise your family or friends with something different, give this a try. So there you have it. Appalachian Mountain ramp pesto, which is definitely a must-try ingredient. It all started with this bundle of ramps here that have been cleaned, prepared to make a delicious treat. Thanks for watching.